Hello guys, and today we're doing a video of Balloon Monkey City. I've already played this. No, like that. Basically, for all of y'all that played Bloons TD6, this came out before it, so do not get angry because the balloon Arius is in here. And if you actually thought that, I don't really think you are highly intelligent. You are not highly intelligent. You are intelligent, not highly. Where the heck are the ugh. I'm used to playing this stuff on tablet. Boop boop. Bum 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 bum. So yeah, this is fun content. Helicopter. Why? Yep, time to press fast forward. Oh god. Depleted plutonium. No. Boss, no committing pain in my butt. No game, I'm not spending. I forgot about the ceramics. This guy literally creates balloons out of thin air. It's the scariest thing. Yeah, let's go. Pop, you are just a humongous pain in the butt. You're more of a pain in the butt than you are in Balloon CD6. Oh no. Oh my gosh. That was so close. That was so close. Oh my gosh. That is what you call a close call. Literally. Let's see. Can I get any upgrades? And yet again. Yeah, we get Destroyer. For all y'all that like Cannon Ship and Monkey Pirates, why we get mini planes on that. Anyways, let's go crash the monkey economy. That was a joke. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, corrosive glue? Who uses the glue gunner in this game? Okay. Yet again, who uses the glue gunner? I respect those who actually use that glue gunner. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a pain in my butt. I swear to God, I'm not a pay-to-win cringe. I'm just looking. While record. I'm not pay-to-win. You know what? I'm kind of angry. Look at the star. Pineapple Bomb. What type of name is that? Regrow Rush of Death? Yes, please. No, I don't want to waste my balloons down on me. Awesome. So anyway, let's see what we can do here to crash the monkey economy. I am a bad person. I'm a kinda bad person. Yeah, fine. We'll get you, Mr. Ring, open in my butt. am angry this is non-Bloons TD6. On the off chance anyone in Ninja Kiwi watches my videos, add this to BTD6. Then I'll start streaming. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah. I'm not playing your balloon. I'm not playing Bloons TD6 until that Bloons chip. I'm not playing Bloons TD6 on the channel. Beg in the comments. You are at my mercy. But yeah, this is basically how the game goes. So, if I sound like horse poop, kind of have a sore throat, but it's not COVID. Yet again, why am I so weird? Ooh. Yeah, the fact that now I can literally decimate everything with a single dart gun. It's fantastic. Oh god. I forgot I need to turn on. Oh right! You have to press that a second time for it to be speedy and for it to have auto start. So glad they have that as a menu option nowadays. Boom. Now, this is literally me with a death machine in Call of Duty Zombies. And it does not matter which Call of Duty game as long as they have a death machine. Also, with me, we do not talk about Call of Duty Ghosts. Y'all talk about... Basically, no, I don't like Call of Duty Ghosts. Oh, what the heck am I saying? I don't know at this point. Balloon bacon. Oh. No thanks. I am a bad person. No, I'm not. Ooh, fiery monkey ace. Engineer. That is actually helpful. That is very helpful. Huh? Huh? I played too much of this on the tablet. What the heck is a bounty? Special card, I guess. After I'm done recording this, I am checking out what that is. And if it's something rare, I'm going to be ecstatic. If anybody knows in the comment section, that would also be nice. Also, do not yell at me for sucking. Oh, how does that work? Like, I'm no genius, but that should not be floating. Oh my god. No, I need to be to my levels. I built everything already, thermite plant. And I literally need a wait. I am going to cause hell. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I remember when that was the scariest thing. Round 85, you got hit by one of those bad boys unprepared, you're screwed. Absolutely. There was no winning against one of those. Somebody had that and you didn't, so. Who uses the ghost? Why does the ice monkey even exist? It just sucks. Potato. I have the mental capacity of a potato. Cripple. If the word cripple makes you laugh, I'm not even gonna say anything. Why though? Why was I born this way? I don't know. Bit about you. Nobody cares. Me when I'm literally just at home. Eat. Balloon chippa. I'm sorry about that. You must wait 24 crippling hours. Jesus. No. Goodbye, fast monkey. I am a dumb person. I am a dumb person. If y'all want to know what I'm drinking, 7-Eleven have to pay me first. Well, I guess that's good enough. And now, see, this is how you win on everywhere here. This is just how you win. You just use a turtling gunner. Yep, Balloon-tonium now can hit everything. And because I don't have Hydro Rocket Pod, nothing can be done about this. Pop led because of those. But also not technically explosives, so it can pop black balloons. And there's no purple in this game, so getting the Ray of Doom quite literally a thing. I remember when T4s were the most deadly thing. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is fun. Of course, that heli pilot in the top right corner looks very scared. Why are you so scared? It's not. Also, like, this is what there's something I like more about the tablet versions. It's full screen. But also those two. This game is fun yet painful at the same time. I like pet. nobody pops the balloon. Yawn. These balloons suck. Death machine. I do not know what I am doing. Pizza. I will never browse Reddit. And no one gives up me. Oh, I thought maybe. Oh, final round. Oh, final round? What round? I don't see any balloons. I don't see any balloons. There's a joke that I'm going to make with every single camera round, which might actually annoy some people. The whole joke is going to be that every camo balloon round, I'm basically going to say, what camo balloon? As if I can't see them. But seriously, hero line for one. For let's just say, I forgot what example I was going to do. Also, here's something. I don't edit videos. So every single week you get a unedited clip of me screwing around for a bit. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh. So much got screwed up. And where did it? Oh, I see a green balloon going in. Where did it go out? What happened to the green balloon? What happened to that green balloon? I see a green balloon go in one tube, but where did the green balloon go? That is legit any monkey without camo. Well, it'd be the opposite. I forgot. No, okay, so in BTD6, counter-espionage, basically it goes like, did you just spawn more balloon? I have stolen that meme. Success. Strike. Anyways, Bloons Monkey City. The monkey destroying game we all needed. It's like that. Nobody needed this. I mean, technically we didn't need video games or YouTubers, but I'm not having an existential crisis. I swear right now I'm not having an existential crisis. Death machine. Yeah, I just like to go fast and, absolutely destroy the balloon areas at 4 times speed. Oh my gosh, how are you already at the first? Oh, crud, lead. So we have one that pops the lead. This is your public execution, boy. Oh, yeah. You're not allowed to escape. Oh, this is already getting, quite frankly, close. Oh, we get that. No, I am better than you. After screaming into my mic for 2 seconds like an autistic kid. I am better than you. After screaming into my mic for a minute like an autistic kid, we have finally beat the balloon. But again. But no. No. No, you won't. The Bloonarius will not be coming back. He has been executed. I am a dumb person. You see, I don't think they got this message where, no, it is randomized. Guys, so basically, yeah, this was my starting space. My helicopter, that's where I got it. Not too far off. Balloon chimper, that's where I got it. No, I don't. No. I am having a mental duck. Bruh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I like how it goes from, oh, that's cute too. Dude, you ain't surviving. Ever. Pretty sure in this version there are DDTs. They are just a pain in the butt to find on the map. I'm pretty sure they usually only spawn in icy areas, so very far out they will spawn. Yeah, eventually they will spawn. But until then, you're happy to find that you are surrounded by gosh darn BFBs. Oh, that would seem possible. Yeah, I can't pop a oh my god. Oh my god, they're very hard to pop. There's a reason why I am not going to the Moab graveyards. That would make me rich, but I'm probably going to die. But I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah. Dartling Gunner. No banana. No banana. Bat. I'm an idiot. Two. All of them have the get up. Where's my sniper? Oh, there's my sniper. Deadly precision. And spook factor. Well, spikes, I guess. Moab. Ha. Got him. Ha. I got him. Speed up. Control. Control the point. Oh, we. No. Wait, no, I cannot have automatic start on. If I have auto start on, I'm going to die. Yeah. Yeah, we can beat this up. Boo doo doo doo. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do do. I remember when there wasn't T5s. So no banana plantation. Some of them actually got the upgrade. Moabbed. You just been moabbed. Well, I've tried my best. So anyways, like and subscribe if you don't want a Moab class balloon to absolutely destroy everything. See ya. No.